Fake Moon Tower giveaway? No. I have it's been an interesting like last few days. I had a lot of interesting conversations about content creation, about keyboards, about all this kind of stuff, and like where I see the hobby's gonna be at in the next few years, if the hobby's gonna last another few years. It's been interesting. Like very, very interesting. The reason this whole conversation started was because people were wondering, like, so nice. Is there been a decline in custom stuff?
Hi, Alex.
Hi, J-Bose. How you doing, dude? Thank you so much for 7 freaking months, bro. Can I get a signature? I'll give you one, Axel. But, yeah, I would say there's definitely been a decline. I don't know if you guys have noticed that, but there's definitely been a decline in keyboard stuff. I've been bored the whole day, so glad you're streaming. Dude, I'm glad to be here. But, yeah, it's interesting. It's interesting where I think the hobby's going to go. I don't know is the right answer. I don't know where it's going to be. But honestly, I'm kind of hoping it doesn't disappear. I love the community we've created, like the community around it. So all that stuff has been amazing. Ease up on the oversaturation. That's kind of what I've been saying too. Like, I think one of the biggest things, there's 3 really big things I think attributing to everything. So I do think it is because of like a recession. I do think that a lot of people are being more wise with their money, which is a great thing. Not the recession. People being wise with their money. That other part sucks. And then the other really big thing I think too is just honestly, just like Chozo said, bro, there are certain designs of keyboards that I feel like hella oversaturated, bro. Like it's actually to a point now where it's like, there are sometimes I don't want to review a keyboard because I don't feel like what am I bringing to this review? You know what I mean? What am I bringing to other than promotion? You know, like what am I bringing to the table? And like, do I want to promote a product that I don't want to? You know, tofu versus tofu premium versus tofu exclusive. Yeah. People keep asking me to churn stuff out because it takes me forever to be happy with something. Yeah, I mean, like, and that's the other thing too, right? Like, I'll show you the board that we're going to be doing today, which is done by Snomo. Let's grab this. Beautiful color, by the way. I'm like a big fan of lilac boards. I'm also a big fan of Axel's work too. So Axel Studios stuff is great. All right, look at this. You guys might not be able to see it from this particular angle. First of all, you can probably see how that kind of light fades up. This is this beautiful kind of curve in. It looks great. There's some cosmetic things with this, but again, this is a prototype. It's also been handled, and it's all proto stuff. So the main thing is good audio chips are hard to come by. I'm totally cool with a Burr Brown chip. Also, look at this weight on the back. I like Snomo has a thing where I see him use a lot of like rounded corners, even in the Foundation Gamma, which actually I was taking pictures of this morning for another project. But he does a lot of rounded corners, which I really, really like in his stuff. So it looks gorgeous. I'm a big fan of stuff like this. Even how it tapers down, just like a little curve down is beautiful. Reminds me of the Sonnet profile. It does look like the Sonnet profile ever so slightly, but not really, because the Sonnet had like the normal wedge over here. This kind of dips down. But I really like this. This looks good. This has really tall feet too. So that's kind of neat, interesting too. For the record, the boards are all dropped by accident. It's okay. They are prototypes, guys. They are prototypes. Literally, Snow came and hand delivered them to me, and we had like a bit of a convo, but like, I didn't see the boards. The first time I opened them was like the other day. What earphones am I using today? Yo, these are no, these are not Monarchs. These are, shit, what are these called again? Manger Zen-Ups. They are Zen-Ups. They're a little bit cheaper than Monarchs, and I quite like them. But yeah, beautiful color. I like the inside weight too. I want to get a neck tattoo. Is that crazy that I want to do that? Do you guys think that's too much? Is that too crazy, chat? Will it go up your face? I don't know if I'd go completely up my face, but we'll see. We'll see how I feel about it all. Yeah, I've been really wanting one. Get a temporary to see. Ooh, that's a good idea. I've been considering a neck tattoo for a while. Yeah, dude, that's when people mention like what else am I gonna get, that's usually the only thing that I think about. Is like, okay, well, this is what I want. it's a neck tattoo. That is usually the only thing that crosses my mind. When I tell you guys, YouTube money for keyboard content, even with, like, I think I have, what, 30,000 subscribers on YouTube? It's not a whole lot. Let me tell you this, it's not even half a month worth of rent. And then we get taxed heavily on it too because I'm self-employed. Being a content creator, you have to do certain things which I am not doing because I don't feel comfortable doing them. And I haven't quite got to that level of like feeling comfortable enough to like push deals and stuff like that. Love your YouTube shorts. I have so much fun doing those. Big question, is it a loss or just not making as much as they expected a loss? I think it's the second, to be honest. Damn. Yo, I'm actually a master of gaskets, chat. Look how clean I put that on, dude. I'm actually a god at this. What are the boards you're most looking forward to that aren't expensive? I think right now, the board that really wins for me this year as, well, a few boards, not just one. QK65. I think it's great. I still think if you can get an Ickies are great. Sequence, fantastic. Bakaneko, fantastic. QK, or I was a QK. Keychron, rather, very good. I think if you're looking for something that's not super expensive, those are the ones. Really long boy gaskets, they are indeed, huh? They're not bad. These are actually pretty easy to apply, though. Sometimes they're so difficult because the gaskets themselves like move a lot, but these are not that bad, chat. I'm just gonna tighten the weight a little bit because I'm seeing that's just ever so slightly a bit loose. It's the right bit, or is it one bigger? Snomo, I think the only awkward part about this is the cable channel. Kind of awkward going like up and then down. All right, still got it in nicely though. Okay. Looks pretty nice. That looks really cool with these colors. I'm not gonna lie. Are we gonna have to trim the switches a little bit? Sometimes we can just push through. Nah, we'll trim these switches. We'll chop them off. So sometimes, chat, when we're doing boards like this happens quite frequently. You just usually have to clip these or just do it afterwards. I'm just gonna clip them right now. Already changed the mounting post for it. Oh, okay, perfect. All right, now we can just screw it down from the top, which makes it a little easier since we don't have to flip it over. Hey, chat, how's my connection been all night? You guys been able to see me clearly? You guys been okay? Alex, what's your Pokemon 6 Dream Team? Oh man, I don't know. Dude, I actually don't know, to be honest. That is something I would need to double check on. I think there is a little bit of, even though it was all Titan 2 Snomo, I think there's a little bit of rattle in the weight, just ever so slightly. I'm feeling it move around just ever so slightly. What plate is that again? Aluminum. Aluminum half plate. Alu half plate, chat. Let's see how well this lilac goes with this. Ooh, spacebar is kind of fire. Okay. We'll see if we can tune the rest of these stabs at all. Color coordination is so good. Agreed. Actually agreed. I love also scooped caps, by the way. All right, let's do this from here. Here, actually, I'll show you guys all of them first, and then we'll look through all of them. I don't know the build configs for these. What the heck, Snow? A flip spacebar. Huh? This one has a brass weight in it. How could you, dude? Frost switch is actually damn good. Agreed. think I like this color the most. I'm not gonna lie though, lilac kind of cute though. Lilac, kind of cute. Ooh, but I like this color too. Okay, let's do one at a time here. Is this Deku? Yo, these all sound good. Okay, one at a time, chat. One at a time. The blue one's your daily driver? Well, since I have it, not quite your daily driver anymore. It's gonna be mine for a little while. Let's see how this sounds, shall we? Ooh, I really like this. Okay, I need to lube the space or the backspace just ever so slightly more. Oh, what's wrong with this switch over here? Okay, we'll go in and see that switch too. I'll fix your stabs, yeah. Ooh, okay. This is really nice considering, again, no foam, no nothing. I really like that one. All right, what's in this one? This is... how are your stabs so good? Oh, just practice. Alpacas with what plate? Carbon fiber plate alpacas. Half of them are stock. Wait, half the switches are stock? I need to fix your spacebar. I'm sorry, Axel. I gotta fix it right now, dude. Gotta fix it two ways. First, flip it back to its proper orientation. Okay, they still need to be lubed a little bit. A little bit more on this side. I only did a little bit of each stab there. But yeah, just use a syringe, guys. It sounds a lot better already, though. I suggest using 2050 to fill in, not so much dielectric grease. I just don't have any more 2050, I think. I think I'm like... I need to refill this one. As you guys can see, there's like nothing left in it. Does the plastic white casing add sound isolation, or there's some models that... that are level with the switch? I'm sorry, Roger, what do you mean by that? Does the plastic white casing add sound isolation? So these are all aluminum. All right, let's see this guy here. Okay, we'll fix this spacebar too. H1s with, is this a full plate? Oh, this is a full plate, okay. H1's on a full plate. Damn. Full plate does kind of hit different though. I like full plate a lot. That sounds really clean. You know what though? Yeah, copper usually does break up sound a little bit more. I think it's more dense, right? Is it more dense? Or less dense, rather? It's less dense. It's more malleable, I think. Does something different with the sound. Damn, they all sound good, though. I have to admit. I'm very impressed with this board. You did a good job. I like this. The colors are all really pretty, too. I mean, this is just E-white, but... yeah, I like these. These are really nice colors, too. They're really pretty. I like the alphas from this the best. However, this is the best sounding spacebar. Not to say your spacebar is not good, Snomo. I think I just like the long pull spacebars. Like the louder pop for a spacebar more. That one that Alex has is a bit patinaed. I mean, I like that natural patina on things, to be completely honest with you. But again, very visually, very pretty board. I really, really like it. It's very like subtle, but definitely looks different from its, I guess, competitors in the space. So I really like it. This looks good. Pastel, yeah. Very, very much like it. I'm gonna take photos of all of these soon. It's always a nice feeling. The mic's in the scene. It's always a nice feeling when you can get a board that sounds good without any sort of like big mods to it. Not to say that like mods are a bad thing at all. I think they're a great thing, but it's always reassuring that you have something, a good base to start out with. Very, very nice. Also very pretty too. And it was pretty good too. I mean, obviously Snomo told us that these were roughed up a bit because they were used in their protos. There was one gash, I'd say, on the back of this guy, and that was really about it. The keycaps are lit. Yeah, the keycaps are super nice. Okay, chat. I think it is time for me to call it a night. But take care, everyone. Have a great night. Thank you guys so much for always coming to my stream and supporting me. I love you guys.